Thank you. I think the convergence is what we both believe is in peace, and we don't want this war to happen. We want this war to end. I think nobody wants it more than the Ukrainians want this war to end. Now, what we had in our discussions with our Indian counterparts was also to really raise from their side with the Russians as well.
यूरोप ने भारत से एक ऐसी अपील की है जिसने पूरी दुनिया का ध्यान खींच लिया। यूरोप ने सीधे तौर पर भारत से मदद मांगी है कि वो रूस पर दबाव बनाए और यूक्रेन युद्ध को रुकवाए। मतलब जो काम अमेरिका जैसा देश नहीं कर पाया, अब उसके लिए यूरोप भारत की ओर देख रहा है। दरअसल यूरोपीय संघ की नेता काजा कलास ने भारत में खुले मंच से ये बात कही कि इस दुनिया में यूक्रेन के लोगों से ज्यादा शांति कोई नहीं चाहता। उन्होंने कहा कि यूक्रेन तो साल भर पहले ही बिना शर्त सीज फायर के लिए तैयार हो गया, लेकिन रूस रुकने का नाम नहीं ले रहा और इसी वजह से उन्होंने भारत से अपील की कि वो रूस के साथ अपने संबंधों का इस्तेमाल करे और शांति के लिए दबाव बनाए। उन्होंने माना कि ये युद्ध सिर्फ यूरोप के लिए नहीं बल्कि पूरी दुनिया के लिए नुकसानदायक है। देखिए उन्होंने क्या कुछ कहा।
Thank you. I think the convergence is what we both believe is in peace, and we don't want this war to happen. We want this war to end. I think nobody wants it more than the Ukrainians want this war to end. Now, what we had in our discussions with our Indian counterparts was also to really raise from their side with the Russians as well, that they would also want peace. Because right now, Ukrainians have agreed to unconditional ceasefire already a year ago. From the Russian side, we only see plays, games, and they are pretending to negotiate, but they are actually not negotiating. They are demanding their absolute maximum. They are also demanding the territories that they haven't even conquered militarily in 11 years. And this is not something that you can, build peace on. In order to have peace, you only need, you need at least two to want peace. You only need one to want war. And what we see currently, Russia bombing civilian infrastructure. In October, the number was 93%. I think now it's more. 93% of Russian targets during this war have been civilian targets. Schools, hospitals, apartment buildings, energy infrastructure, to cause as much pain to people as possible. Under international humanitarian law, this is forbidden. You can't target civilians. This is what they do, and this is what they have done while pretending to negotiate. They have increased their attacks. Why they are doing this, and I was explaining this to our Indian colleagues as well, why they are doing this is because they are not moving on the battlefield. Actually, they're losing really a lot of soldiers on the battlefield. So it's not moving anywhere, like they are not conquering territories there. What they want to do is to push Ukrainian people to surrender by causing as much pain. Here it's warm. There it's minus 20 degrees. Imagine you don't have electricity or energy in minus 20 degrees. It is unbearable. So what we have asked our Indian colleagues is to raise this with the Russians, put the pressure on the Russians so that they would also want peace, because this is not good for Europe, this war. This war is not good for, southern countries because of, everything what is coming to the trade with wheat, everything that is deriving from there. And I think this is the convergence where we have with what we have with Indians. We both want peace. And sustainable peace, so that this war does not return. Even if you have, peace agreement, but if it is not based on anything that can last, then you will just have more wars, and that is extremely bad. I think also deriving from this war is, the overall security theater. It's dangerous for everybody. So we see this in the same way, that this war has to stop, but for that we need to pressure the Russians.
EU नेता काजा कैलास ने ये भी बात कही कि शांति के लिए कम से कम दो पक्षों की इच्छा जरूरी होती है, लेकिन युद्ध के लिए सिर्फ एक पक्ष काफी होता है। और फिलहाल रूस की कार्रवाई यही दिखा रही है। और क्योंकि रूस भारत का सबसे करीबी है, तो रूस का मानना है कि यहाँ भारत को रूस पर दबाव बनाना चाहिए। लेकिन यहाँ पर भारत के नजरिए से बड़ी बात यह है कि यूरोप ने जो कुछ कहा वो दिखाता है कि आज दुनिया में भारत कहाँ खड़ा है। और यूरोप जैसे देश अमेरिका नहीं बल्कि भारत की ओर इस युद्ध को रुकवाने के लिए देख रहे हैं। इस खबर पर आपका क्या कुछ कहना, कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, भारत।